Good afternoon, good way, and good light. Light bearers and way showers. This is Wendy with Languages of Lights. And it just turned 4:44 on the clock here in the afternoon. And I'm looking at the moon is rising. The sun is high up in the sky. And it's just bright and beautiful. And I just had to share the energy with you. Every moment is new and wonderful. And I've seen every color of butterfly, bees, the eagles. I hear them, I see them. There's hawks flying over. There's deer running through. And I just had to share this beautiful energy with you. This connection to Gaia, this light within us, that when we're out here just fills us with energy and gratitude, knowing that we are one with all of this, and so grateful for the freedom of this expression. And it's free to just breathe. So salute the air and the water, for they are both life. Air is life. Evidence of life is water. We are air and we are water. And we are one with all of this. Nakala sanyanakata. Toruhara kisanekala anayamako soroasha. Tiki asha alakatini kasasala ilakenayanaka. Toroso hala ala. Mitarasasina. Tiko shosho yanaki. Tiki salati. Sonomala alakatiri kasasati kiasha. Hala ila. Nikiara moila halagina. Activate this harmony within you. Just by breathing, you connect to all living things, to all things, all realms, all atmospheres, all knowing, all understanding, all the breath of all nature, all life, all of it. You're connected to that. We are connected to that. Kialasi inaki atoroko sosopola ina. Ayana ki atorokola ki amaniana. It's the eagle. I hear them just over the trees. Nakela sana. Soar free. Let the eagle soar within you. You are the sovereignty, the magic. You are the magician. You are the sovereign kings and queens of your creations. You are. Remember that. Let the eagle soar within you. Let them fly. Let them fly. You are meant to be free. Nayua alakati toroko abaya hieshanakala. Torokosa alakala tonokoria kashayamana. Makora lianaki tita. Tishayala kanyana katalokoso. Motoru sosopayanaki daikashaya. Castiala Canayo Oyanoko Apotoroko Sosola halaki alakina ti. Si sono ola koya yashashaya wakaya haya katara. Toroko sapula aliana ki saliana kawa. Alohala. Naturu kesasabiara kaya. Breathe in the love. Breathe in your sovereignty. Breathe in your freedom. Let yourself fly. Allow the doors to close and the new to begin. Walk through the door of your castle. Walk through the door of your castle. Nalokayana kate elakasa. This is your castle. Open the door. Your breath is the key to all the kingdoms. Breath and water. And light and color and sound for your frequency. And this is harmony. Remember this place inside of you. The place that reminds you to breathe. Drink water. Bless your water. It is the highest frequency, substance on this planet. It is capable of everything, like you. Feed your water the intentions you desire and watch the miracles unfold. For you are water, you are air, you are the stuff of light, ether, spirit. You are the stuff of the stars and the planets. All kingdoms are yours and belong to you. Simply by breathing. You release and gain at the same time. Release the energy that no longer serves you. And breathe in the new light, the new fragrance, the new visions of your existence. Nayukula Tiana. Alakala anaki tarishono. Katila alakorama kiterisasi tikasha. Talaniana alakatiisa. Nikayana tati osho koyonoma. Tila tika. Tisa niana kala. Tialaka niana katayoshono kaya. Toluha kaina alakotorusa sopa koshono kotia. Toru soma alakaya. Tingiara shalakati sasana. Alaki antakala anonoa yesho. Be in the water, near the water. Bless the waters. Even in your mind, if they are far away, bless the waters. Send Gaia healing and gratitude for the water that sustains you and keeps you alive. As you bless the universe blesses you in return. That is the way. No turuko ambakisha tayana tayuko goyapolo sono. Poturuko shoshopo ala halakorama. Tiki anaki kilahasa. Sonomala alakati taraki haloruma. Niyayalakata tashanoko. Tisa alakala. Be one with your universe. Taluku. Toruko shamayana. Asi sanaka alakanoyona. Tiasana. Be in the presence of yourself, your breath, as you drink the water, the spring of life. Remind yourself there is no disconnected. There is no disconnection from you to anything. No koena basha shaya wala sanaki. Water is in every drop of existence. You breathe existence. For you are one with all of his existence. In the air, the water, the stardust, the soils that stir through the cosmos. You are part of that all. The hawk that soars above, the eagle, the hummingbirds. The bluebirds. Diala kosana ka ayuno ko satorusho. Niala katiana. Breathe in the harmony. Breathe in the sovereignty of knowing that you are an eternal being creating this moment and every moment because you are a sovereign keeper of your own key. Nyadokosho koyamala tayano pasho torokosa. Mitarian sanakala orientarakashayanaki. Piatorokosho no eatukula hesasani ala katoroso. Mayona. Polo hoasasari ala kati itorokosa pala ayanaki atorokosa sapaleala kurashi. Potorokoso pola hena kitira kasasa pala enono koi kaposha sopoya kaya taraki ayenono ambirataki torokoso sopola hela kitiana. Boso torokosa pola ayana. Draw this energy through you, for it is the energy of Source. It is the energy of creation. Draw it into you, through you. Allow it to awaken you. Toroshonoko ya poroso sopona kiadak ila kotoroko. Kotori sopola hena kila kotoroso soporasha. Kayantara kila hena koya polohiena. Pasiala kietaroko yandakiwa. Stand outside with your arms outstretched to the sky. Show its gratitude and feel its gratitude through your fingertips and bring this energy into you. Breathe it, knowing you are the sky. You have drawn the clouds, painted the sunset, risen with the morning star. For this is your creation, this is your universe. No longer are you naive to this idea, this reflection, that you are the creator, you are the being creating what you see before you. Turukuso po kaya siya tikiana katalu kuya palawuna. Turukuso po lahana kay tiarasan. So turukusa miyana kila hesuso turukusa palana turukuya poko turuso. Turukuya maala ko turukuya mokoa. Paso turukuya ma olayana kitara kesoso poshokoa turukusa pala hala. Sina turukuya piala hina toko passion. You are the weavers of time. As you breathe in the particles of the universe, understand separation is an illusion. To play the earth game. Paturukusa pala ayana katiwa asoso pukosha. Potukuyamba giwa lihina katoruso. Potukuyam pukosha yama itukuyampaya asatia.
Toruko Sopalahanana, Bataruko Sonoko. You hold the mirror. Toiko Yampala has to see. Turuko Sama Oyana. What you put out is what you get back. This is the law of the universe. Bokoyana itoruko sapola heniana o turu chopoko turusu. Bayana itoruko sapola. Pashontu Akiyama itoruko sapira. Step into your sovereignty. Understand you have been the stars. You have been the mountains. You have been the grains of sand. You have been the inanimate object, as you call inanimate, but all is energy. Everything is a manifestation of energy. Everything. Diasoturkuyama, Tuisonoa, you have been the animals. You have been the residents of other lives, other planets, other dimensions. Paturakiampala Satarishanoko. Paturuku Susopoyana. Ti ilakoturuku sapayana atakuya palahasala, tukushaya, sisapala, turukupoyan maha, katoroso. Pashonaki, tikila enakika. And as you step into your outside, Dhyana breathing, the essence of life, remember this. Dhyamboko Sanapyalakanona. The time has come to move beyond the belief that your world is happening to you. As you change your vibration, you change the world. You change what you reflect. Understanding this connection is the beginning, the key. Tenkaporsa Torukoya Mahalaro Inane Niana. Potoro. Pisani Iwa Hilakatiana Satoro Sopa. Pesonoya la Kiana Katarokoya Palaheri Kolakota Kiana. You will hear this and have heard this again and again. Trying is applying. It is not enough to know. It must be acted upon to complete the energetic circle, the cycle, the circuit. Act upon the joy, act upon the knowing, act upon the instincts. Dorokosamina, it is no longer enough for you to simply feel it. You are beginning to recognize it now. You must begin to act upon it. Trying is applying. No yopo gayana siala kato. If you do not believe that standing and breathing the air with your arms outstretched to the sky will serve you, it will not. If you believe that it will show you the miracles, the magic, the strength that you are. It is up to you now. And the eagle soars. Doni Gambanko Yasapahuina Iwatukujo Goyan Bashonona Yitoro. Soto Goyan Bosha Tayo Goya Halasi Doro Goyan Boko Payashona Kibayona. Allow the eagle within you to soar, to see from greater heights, greater spiritual heights, greater instinctual heights. Fly by instinct. Fly in the frequency of what serves your highest self, and in turn the highest good of the all, raising the frequency of all you create. Tankuyan paluhin nanakitara. Pasuna atukuya pasunana. Tasusopo inokuya palahin sanana. Pasunaya, if you are able to believe one way, you are able to believe another. Tankuya dabayashanaki wanayinako. If you are able to act in one manner, you are able to act in another. Noniasa siyadon kuyasa no asana. Tosona kishanatara. Own the choice. Dunkaya, own the choice. And it will set you free. Dunkoishanatara. Sotoruasa. Turu empakoyashanaki walakino roesa pailahina. Poto uyambaya walakatoriamai washana. And you will see yourselves as all things. You will see yourselves as the eagle, the mouse, the mountain, the goat, the flower and the seed, the soil and the sun and the stars. You will see that you are. All these have been, can be, all these. This is but a sliver of your existence. A breath in time, as you know time to exist. A breath in time. Tiempo no boa que sala hoina koto kuisha payona kipo ojkoyana ki totoro koesa sai soda soto koala kina tato kosona potoro kosa pala ina kata washona kiawala. And we are one. Tokoesa maka. Musa tuashana awa to aquasha hawa uno aquasho aika wina iukua soko hoto ashashia ma awahu hoto ashahi wa alakwa sama oto hosa miano hoso to rashashiamo ataya wungo ya homo ayu nyaya na kwa yusha gyawatia koashia hina koha tupo potariama niana koto. Oh, Shiana. Ambukwashwa Indiato Kwasana. You are the air, the earth, the fire, the water, and the ether. You are all of this. Tiangoya Mahua Toyan Bagoshana Diaragonana Sotorukayan Bokosata Kisha. We are only a belief away. We are but a belief away. And we are one. Nasyata Keshana. Mahala. The light within me illuminates the light within you. And the light within you illuminates the light within me. Nasanyana. Timeless, living lights. Dakashyana. Namaste.